Today we're looking at cubic equations, and a standard cubic, of course, has a highest power that is 3. For example, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 is a cubic because the highest power is 3. A standard cubic might be written ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, or it might be written in factored form, k x minus a, x minus b, x minus c multiplied together. This black one here, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6, I've written in factored form, x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. There are different reasons why it might be good to have them in either form. It will be easier to do some calculus work if it was in the form written in the black, but it would be easier to graph, find where the x-intercepts are if it was written as it is in the blue form. But either way, you can see that the number in front of the x cubed here is positive. In this case, it's 1. You can look in the brackets and see what would happen if you only worried about multiplying out the x's to get the x cubed term, that it would be a positive number in front of the x cubed. That's important because just like with parabolas, where we have happy and sad parabolas, we have the same thing with cubics. Now this particular cubic that I've written here, because its factors say x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, it's going to actually cut through the x-axis at minus 2, at 1, and at 3. So it's easy to see where the intercepts are. Now, because the number in front of the x cubed for this is positive, it's a happy cubic. And I know that happy cubics look like that black diagram there. That would be a happy cubic, if you like. That's where the number in front of the x cubed is positive. So what would a sad cubic look like? Well, let's just remove this and give you an idea. We've just said that a happy cubic looks like this in general. Well, a sad cubic looks like that in general. And a happy cubic, we have said, happens when the number in front of the x cubed, that a, is bigger than 0, whereas with a sad cubic, the number in front of the x cubed is less than 0. It's a negative number in front of the x cubed, and you get a sad cubic.